Hello, I'm Jose Lopez, a senior design engineer for Mitsubishi Caterpillar. I'm here with Dr. Chittaranjan Sahay. Dr. Sahay is a distinguished professor of manufacturing and mechanical engineering at the University of Hartford. Welcome, Dr. Sahay, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Jose. It's my pleasure and delight to be here.
Where do you see the future of manufacturing going?
I see the manufacturing growing as we go along. See, the world population is increasing, and because of that, there will be more demand for more things. Means that more manufacturing has to be done. 60 years ago, we used to manufacture 1 billion people. Now we are doing for 6 billion people. With the quality of life improving for the rest of the globe, the demand for things that you take for granted in the U.S. is going to be also as important in other places too. Manufacturing went out of U.S. to some extent because of energy costs. I see that energy is going to be available in abundance because of the new technology that we are seeing in the U.S. With the energy costs going down, I'm seeing and perhaps predicting also that a lot of the energy intensive manufacturing will return to the U.S. if we want to maintain the quality of life for the people of the globe. Whether it is U.S., India, China, or Africa, anywhere you will see that manufacturing will go up. There is no other way. Manufacturing is important. Very tough competitive conditions in the U.S. and globally require that all the wastes are reduced or at least, if not eliminated altogether.
There are some basic principles involved with lean manufacturing. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
We have principles that were known as 5S principles, which really meant that we are talking about the sorting your workplace, straightening it out, making it smooth, then shine, standardize, and sustain. These are the 5S principles championed by the Japanese manufacturing. In the U.S., we have added a 6th S to it, that's safety. Because in addition to keeping everything in place, we want to make sure that it is safe for the operators, it is safe for anybody who is connected with us.
What do early career engineers need to know to achieve such technical solutions in this sector?
The first thing that anybody needs is the enthusiasm. And if you have to have your heart into this, do only what your heart tells you. If your heart is in manufacturing, in trying to make the quality of life better for people, ensure health, welfare, and safety, then you certainly belong here.
Are there any important skills or special skills that engineers should have?
I think the most important skills is to be able to analyze the data and get a meaning out of data. Understanding of statistics, understanding of the basic engineering principles, and having a common language to speak with your counterparts all over the world is very, very important.
What inspires you?
One thing that inspires me to stay involved is basically the fundamental ethics of engineering, that we are here to do the health welfare, to assure that the health, welfare, and safety of people are not compromised. Always keep those millions in mind whose money, whose taxes, whose support for the institution has provided with the opportunity to be what you are today.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure talking with you today.
Thank you, Jose.